Welcome to Let's Build Stuff. We've got two special guests on the show today to keep an eye on things, so please say hi to the General and his Lieutenant. In this series, Let's Build Stuff, we'll learn how to build fun things using building blocks and learn basic building concepts. In today's episode, we'll learn to make a fighter jet, which is made out of 35 pieces. So, let's build stuff! Here is what the fighter jet looks like. Here are the different parts you need. For the propeller, the body, the wings, and the back of the plane. First, we build the wheels of the plane. And then the front propeller. Next, we attach the propeller and the wheels to the rest of the body with this little angle. And then we start building the rest of the body. And the wings. And the back wheels. And attach the back wheels to the body. The design of the fighter jet can really be anything you want it to be, so the more creative you are, the better. I wanted to make something far more old-fashioned and clunky. And for some reinforcement, I wanted to connect the back wings to the middle frame of the jet. And there you go, our own little fighter jet of peace. There's just so much you can build with various building blocks and tools available to you. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned to ToffeeTV for more videos just like this.
To win all these gifts, all you have to do is subscribe to ToffeeTV, ring the bell, and comment on all our videos. Best comment wins each month. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. ToffeeTV.com